We are live. We are live, my friends. What's up? We're live for university students, and we are live right now for channel members. Let's get to work. S&P 500 is down 7. We're going to day trade this bad boy. Let all the university students inside the private WebEx. Let's get to work. Thanks for popping in. I'll scroll this here let me scroll this one for a couple seconds. Bam, there you go. There you go. So we're live right now for, like I said, students, but this might be, well, it is what it is, right? S&P 500 down 7. Woo! Time to go to work. Let's make a lot of money. Let's make a lot of money. All right, let me do this. See what's going on with the news. There it is. Doesn't look like we have any news items today. Market opens up in about 4 minutes. 4 minutes. For those of you that are new channel members, day trade the S&P 500 every single day, right? Every day we day trade this. Been doing it for a long time. Been day trading the S&P 500 for over 5 years. Every day for 5 years. Been trading options for 17. You know, we do options classes as well for people who are in live coaching. But that's about it. All right, I think I've scrolled that bad boy. What's up, Jeff? What's up, John?
Good morning.
What's up?
Morning, guys. How's she going this morning?
She going well, my brother. She going well. How about you, man? You back from your nice little trip?
Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, we kind of got rained on a bit, but that's okay. It's, the Northwest in November, but yeah, we had a good trip.
That's good. That's good, my man. And John, what about you, my man? Did you do anything exciting?
Had a nice, relaxing weekend. Did some yard work and ready for the snow to come. That's
awesome. I wish I could say the same thing down here, that I was ready for the snow, but it doesn't snow.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I wish I could. I like to get some snow. Maybe not too crazy, but yeah, that ain't gonna happen down here where I'm at. We'll be
we're supposed to be getting 60-mile-an-hour winds up here today, so
snap.
If you see me drop out.
Well, I'll be honest. Down here, we get 40 to 60-mile-an-hour winds like almost every day where I'm at. I had a little tornado the other day. I think I told you it was called a dust devil or something. It was about 70 plus. Threw my trampoline across the yard, picked it up, threw it. It was in the air, threw it across the yard, and it was crazy. Like, happened out of nowhere. That was about a month ago, I guess, maybe 2 months ago. But either here nor there. Market's down 3. Let's have a big week. Let's make a lot of money. Brandon, what's up? Tomorrow's the big day, dude. Shit. It's gonna be good. What's up, Roy?
Good morning.
What's up?
Not much.
Let's have a big week, y'all. Big week. Got that birthday party over. My son had his birthday party yesterday. Turned 11, so had to do several things, man. I'm trying to remember. I don't remember back when I was 11. I really wish I could, but I don't. My memory's fading. I remember this stuff, but I don't remember much else. Oh well. Glad to have y'all aboard.
What's the futures looking like? I haven't even looked at it yet.
Right now, the S&P 500 is literally down 1 point. So it's flat and it's moving up. So it's 0 right now, completely flat. Completely flat.
Okay. Good. Maybe we'll get an advanced trade into that.
I'm with you, brother. I know. I'm with you. You know what, guys? We did fantastic on Friday. I'm not going to lie. Took 3 trades, nailed all 3. Was a nice, absolutely nice Friday. Did not have one losing day trade, and it was great. Marco!
Good morning.
What up? What up? Here we go, y'all. Let's do it right. 5 seconds. Let's trade good. Let's make some money. We've been doing great. All right, here we go. As usual, if there's any questions, which I know you guys are pretty solid, but if you have any questions, type them in our WebEx. Okay. I'm going to try to do less like teaching and more trading, even though we've been doing a lot. Friday, I think we took 3 trades. With the addition of the new strategy, we've been getting in some trades. Like, I don't even remember, like, I don't think there's been a day that we haven't at least gotten into a trade. So, but I'm documenting the results. I'm at 25 trades, so 25 more to go before we start analyzing the results and seeing how profitable or not profitable the system is. All right, here we go. Now, we should be okay. There's no news items, it doesn't look like. Yeah, no red items. We should have a solid day. Charles posted his pivots. For those of you following the pivot system, bias up pivot 70, bias down pivot 49. All right. Ticks are positive this morning to open. Wait a couple minutes to let this first candle shake out, and then we're going to get to work, right? And again, I'm going to kind of try to not teach, just trading. And that's why if I do something and you don't understand, or you're like, why'd you do that? Type them in the WebEx, all right? Type them in the WebEx. That's what the benefits of being a university like y'all. Dude, I'm only coaching y'all. Like, I'm teaching y'all, right? Everybody else is just coming on board for the ride. Okay, so here we go. Let's start marking stuff up. 61.50. All right. And it's looking like 54.75. What's up, Mark?
Good morning, Jeff.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Mark, our teams keep getting their asses whooped. What's going on with the Giants and what's going on with these tight-ass Cowboys?
Our season's been over for a while.
Damn, dude. I have to accept it. Ours is over, too.
Cowboys is what surprises me.
Yeah. It's fucking Cowboys, man.
Sorry for that Zach, because he seems like a nice young man, but geez, I don't know what's happening, you know?
I don't either, brother. I don't either. But it's painful to watch. I'm going to have to go for the Texans now. I know, dude. I was at my kid's birthday party. But we were seeing it on the screen. And who did
Went down to yesterday.
They lost.
To who?
They lost to the hang on. I drew a blank. Really quick, y'all. I'm not taking this trade to the bottom. Okay, I'm not taking this breakthrough here. They lost to what the hell? I tried to block it out of my mind. Hang on a second. Damn.
Doesn't matter.
Exactly. I know you're Washington. I know, brother. God damn, who did they lose to? No, completely. The Falcons. Yes, thanks, Brandon. The Falcons. That's right. Tired ass Cowboys. All right. Anyway, let's block the Cowboys, the Giants. Roy, nicely done on the Redskins, but let's do some trading and see what happens here. All right. So we're breaking through that 54.75, but we one of our primary focuses is learning how to identify traps and fake outs. To me, this has the remnants of a trap or a fake out, so I'm going to back off right now. And I'm going to try to do less teaching and more just trading, but I do call out what I do. So don't worry. I'm not going to enter any trade without at least telling you, hey, I'm in. Like I always do that. Market's down 8. I don't even know what to expect today. There's no news items. With the election tomorrow, I don't have a clue. All I know is right now that's a big-ass red candle. But again, not taking that short. Multiple. There's always reasons for why I'm not doing something. Right? Remember, nobody has a crystal ball. One of the things we've got to do is take every single trade that meets our rules, no matter what, and document the results. Like I said, I'm at 25 trades right now. Once I get 50, we're going to be going over that new strategy, looking at the results. We got 25 more to go. So far, I'm not going to lie, it's doing really good. It really is doing good. And it's super easy to execute. Super easy. The hardest part is just the again, the emotions. I'm still tweaking around with my runner, but I'm on board. I got an idea, right? A plan. Friday, we talked about it. All right, so again, we're moving down, but I'm not, this is on weak hands, right? There's not a lot of volume behind that move. I don't see any evidence that this is going to fall apart yet. Things change quickly. But we did collapse through that 54. Always opportunities. Like I said, very rare, especially now, do we not have opportunities to get in trades. I mean, we've been taking trades every day. So I really like the addition to our new strategies. Okay. Sellers are starting to come in. Market's down 17. That got down in a hurry. But again, I would not be surprised if this reverses and goes back up. I would not be surprised. Remember, all we do is we focus on our plan. We've got a solid plan. We just stick to it. So I'm going to go ahead and erase these key levels. Make sure you have in the members area. First video, I believe, in a futures course. First video. Oh, fuck. They're coming by today to fucking service my house with the fucking pest control. What the fuck? 840? What the fuck? The hell are they coming at 840 for? Son of a bitch. Damn it. So I'll be kind of popping up. I mean, once I let them in, I'll tell them I'm working. They kind of do their thing. I just have to.
They try to choose the most inconvenient time.
I know, right? Or they'll just give you like this block of time where it's like, we'll be there. There's like a 4-hour block. So you can't go nowhere because you're like, what the fuck? They're coming by in a minute. But again, I don't have to be there while they're in. I just got to let them in, tell them what I need to have done, and then let them do their thing. But they're going to disrupt my 15. They're going to disrupt. But that's okay. I'll let y'all take over. I'm not going to be gone long. I'll just kind of pop up for a minute. But as soon as I hear them at the door. But see, coming in. But yeah, I agree with you, man. Coming to fucking most inconvenience time. I got to get it done, man. These little fucking little roaches and shit, dude. All right. And they'll be here. It says by 8:40. So literally at any minute, I'm expecting the doorbell to ring. And if that's the case, that's fine. Y'all know what to do. Even if I'm not here, you know exactly what to do. And again, I'll be here. I just might have to pop up for a couple minutes. But most of our trades have been coming after 9 o'clock anyway. So it's going to be fine. But I'm expecting them at any moment. Usually the same guy. He's pretty cool. He comes all the time and he knows, like, all right. But I do have to let my dogs out. I don't want him to spray with my dogs. My dogs fucking start eating that shit. Not much happening. Again, this is kind of what I expected. I didn't expect it to move down too much. Look at that. This is why we've been doing, we do so good, man. It's follow the plan every day. That's all we have to do. The doorbell should ring here any second. Any second, I'm expecting the doorbell to ring. As long as I can lock the dogs, that's the issue. I haven't heard them ring yet. There it is, going back up, right? Look at that. Isn't that predictable, right? That's an awesome thing, being able to predict this with a high probability. I mean, look, guys, back in the days, I would have been like, what? Why is it going up? A lot of buying pressure coming in. I need to hurry up and come because it needs to get off my mind. I do not want them to come at 9 o'clock. Like, they got to come before that, because at 9 o'clock is when our big trade usually happens. Okay, so it's not looking like, okay, so this first one, give me a couple seconds. I'll be right back. Again, looks like right now we're going to have to wait till the 15 minutes. So hang on. I just need to make sure that they're not outside. Cookie, Astro. Outside. Nope, not yet. Damn it. What's going on, Doc? What's going on, Doc? Yeah, they'll be here in a minute. Oh, I was kind of hoping they're coming right now. I won't have to let my dogs outside, though, because I don't want them to be eating some fucking poison. But dang it. All right, Dr. House. We got Brandon, Dr. Al, Jeff, John, Marco, Mark, and Roy. Again, just waiting patiently. I got those pest control people coming at any minute, man. So when that doorbell rings, I got to get up. But hopefully once I talk to him for a second, he knows what to do. Then I don't have to do anything else. But I'm waiting. I'm going to go ahead and mark this low. So I might be screwed on this 15-minute trade. I'm afraid to take this 15-minute trade, because if I have to get up, I'm going to be screwed. But he's got to hurry up and come, man. Just marking stuff over here. We're not going to take that pop up through there. No. Damn it. I might be screwed on the 15 minutes, guys, because I have a feeling if I take this trade, the moment I take it, the doorbell's going to ring, and then I'm going to be screwed. But y'all know what to do. Y'all know exactly what to do. What's going on, Justin? You know what, Justin? Man, I'm going to be here on election day. I'm going to be here. So I don't know what to expect. So the answer is I'm going to trade, but if I start getting whooped, I'm going to back off. This guy needs to hurry up and get here, man. I need to hurry up. They come right at 9 o'clock, I'm gonna be pissed. That's the most important time, man.
Well, they already accomplished the goal of distracting the living shit out of you.
Exactly. Fuck, dude. You're right. I haven't even. You're right. Shit.
I mean, you only mentioned it 75 times already.
I know. Hey, I know, Mark. I know. Oh shit! I was about to mention a 75, but then I was like, shit. I'm gonna. All right, so man, if you guys are gonna take it, you know what to do. I'd be looking to go long. I can't do it though. I cannot do it, unfortunately, because I'm not gonna get caught in a trade where I'm not present. There's no way, because then I can get killed. But y'all get ready. Get ready to go long. 74s. The 74s. I am going to write down. Let me look at my note. My phone. Because it said. Around 8:40. Bitch. Get ready to go long. Those 74s. Shit. Should I take a shot at this? Should I take a shot with these motherfuckers, man? All right. I'd go long now. 74.43. 43 cents. 43. All right. You know, it's interesting on our journal too. We've only taken three trades, 4 out of 25 trades. Only 4 have been 15 minutes. The 15-minute trade. All right. So far, so good. Ding, ding. And then my dogs are outside. Man, that wind is pumping. You were talking about that wind blowing 70. Man, that wind's outside hurling over here.
Yeah, I haven't seen the lights flash yet, but it's coming.
Y'all got a big storm or something coming?
Yeah, we get these big series of what they call atmospheric rivers that come in out of the Pacific, and man, it's just packed full of rain and wind. And yeah, it gets pretty ugly up here in the Northwest.
Oh, wow. That is crazy.
Kind of equivalent to those old nor'easters there, Mark.
Jeez, dude.
Oh, yeah, they're nasty.
They're nasty, huh? kind of doing much, not much of anything, but everything's fine. Pittsburgh, you're in sunny there in Pittsburgh? Yeah, I mean, it's kind of overcast a little bit here, real windy outside. Not raining, but... got the little notes, man. This ain't doing much, right? Damn it, they're here. Fuck. I knew it. Fuck. All right, I'll be right back. And then when you tell me, hey, I'm gonna go outside, I'll let the dogs in. Yeah. No, you been here many times.
Yeah. I don't.
You don't remember
seeing them? I think every time I come, they're out. You know.
Yeah. Just when you do your stuff, just do your thing, and then whenever you tell me, hey, I'm gonna go outside, I'm gonna let them in.
Gotcha, man.
All right. Nah, you're good, brother. You're good. All right. Yeah, you do what you got. Like I said, main thing is, we just see little roaches here and there, but other than that, it's been pretty good. All right, guys. So that one right there would have been actually, no, you would not be out of the trade yet. You'd still be in it. But just so y'all know, we haven't taken many of these 15-minute trades. And the ones that have lost the most, I'm going to be honest with you, they've been the 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I'll be straight up with you. The one, and again, we're analyzing the results because if we see after 50 trades that 15-minute ain't good, then we just back off because that 30 minutes been money. But maybe we'll combine it. As far as the advanced, there was no entry. The advanced requires it to actually break out. Okay, the advanced requires it to, and it hasn't. So with the aggressive, you're anticipating the break, right? You're anticipating the break. All right. And yeah, you can do upstairs too, brother. All right. Yeah. Where we at? Oh, man. So I definitely would have been out, but I didn't take it. And I know some of y'all don't even trade in the first 15 minutes. So we might be, after a while, we're only allowed to do the advanced. The advanced does require it to break. But, I mean, I'm not going to do anything. The bottom line is 50 trades, same way every time, and then you analyze the results. It's not about winning and losing. I mean, it's about when we lose, we're trying to figure out how small the losses are and how big the winners are, right? That's how you do it. But hasn't done much, right? Just kind of opened up down, grinded back up. Now we're just kind of doing nothing. 3, 6, 9, 12. So, as far as the advanced, this now, we're not going to take that. So, we'd have to be looking for that number 2. Kind of distracted right now, guys. But it's all right. In a minute, we'll be good. Ticks are 277. So what I have decided, y'all, too, is y'all know I'm going to be doing, I've been doing 3. I've stepped it up to 3 because I'm trying to get that runner. We're still working on the system. By no means, I mean, we haven't got it down, but I do have something that I am going to be trying. But on Friday, we talked about that. Like I said, on Friday, we were 3 for 3. We had a big one. Like, it was good, dude. So, right now, market is literally flat. So, I mean, this was a tricky one, right? This is a tricky. It hasn't done much. Yeah, that distracted me. But the good news is it's not going to affect our 30-minute now, because once he goes out, I'll let the dogs in. Everything will be good. See? Can't be distracted, right? $8:55. In 2 minutes, you can't do nothing. Okay? 2 minutes, you can't do nothing. Remember, too, I'm still going to scalp. There hasn't even been a lot of scalping opportunities either. I figured there'll be a lot of scalping opportunities, but there hasn't. Now, those trades that we took on Friday, I think they were later, right? Maybe. I can't remember exactly, but they were all 30-minute breaks. All of them. All of them were winners, too. So that comes the most. Look at it now. It's selling back off. Oh, well. At 58, though, you got to get out no matter what. I would have already been out. I probably would have taken a loss, but I didn't get in that trade, obviously, because of the reasons. $57. So here's kind of what I do. I'm going to bring this over and show you guys so y'all were on the same page. So on my active trader right now, we got one more win. I'm going to go ahead and just clear it out. That way it's empty, because I'm not sure which direction I'll be looking. I mean, look at the market, dead flat. Now, we are picking up right here, so there are buyers coming in. But we'll see how this goes. I'm going to erase. So I'm going to clear this drawn set. Remember, thanks to John, the software draws these levels. It's awesome. So I'm just going to be waiting, and I'm going to hope, please, I hope he's done with the inside before the 9 o'clock so I can let the dogs in. Shit. I got to let the dogs in. Fuck. That's our biggest trade, the 30 minutes. That's where we have that run or two, right? And the ticks are picking up. Shit. I'm not taking that break. It's a late break. I am going to double up down here. 38.50. Double up. I'm going to get ready to write our levels inside the group. Come on, baby. Hurry up. Hurry up. You good?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay.
Let me let the dogs in. Hey, brother. Appreciate it, man. And the gate's not locked. Just open it up. You got it, brother. Hey, appreciate you, man. Cookie, Astro. Come on, Cookie. Come on, Astro. Coming back. Coming back. All right. Looks like we made it. Good. Okay. He's outside now, so now I can focus. All right. That's good. Here we go, my friends. Let's get ready to rocks. And I'm also going to type the morning key levels. All right, here we go. All right, I'm typing in our group. There we go. Everything's good. Give me a second here. All right. So I'll be looking to pop up this, oh shit. A lot of possibilities right now. Just get ready. Get ready. A lot of possibilities, okay? Watch out for the fake out, the trap, all that stuff. This is whenever things really get going. Damn, I got to piss too. Shit. Now I got to piss, man. What the fuck? Shit, I got 2 minutes to piss. Damn. A lot of distractions, man. What the hell? Talk about day trading. Got to piss. You got to watch out, dude. Shit. All right. Now we're back. All right. Let's watch for that fake out. The market's going to let us know when this bad boy is ready to move. We just got to watch out, right? But again, at the end of the day, we do not have a crystal ball. It is what it is. When we take the shot, we take the shot. Period. If we knew which trades were going to win, we'd only be taking the winners, right? Now, again, inside the members area, there's only the advanced. I don't have anything on the aggressive yet or the basic or the scalp advanced. But you got to know how to work the advanced. That teaches you price action, which, again, this is all about price action. So you want to make sure you go in that members area and really lock and load. All right, let's watch. Things are about to happen. So I'm in a tricky spot. First and foremost, oof, damn. You can get away with the aggressive, but also looking for the advanced. 74s. Okay. Yeah. Not yet. Ooh. It's tricky. It's going to sneak up. Again, you got to decide which route you're going to go, right? We got a lot of stuff happening, but this is where we're paying attention. Hardcore. Ooh, look at that. Look at that fake out. Market blue. Information, right? The hell is that? I keep hearing all these fucking noises. What the fuck is going on? Information, baby. Right there's a shark in the water. I am focused. I want to go long, though, okay? That's where I really want to go. And if I get in the aggressive, because again, we're still testing it. I've upped it to 3 contracts because I need a runner. So we've been working on that system, right? Jeff, you were gone, but it's kind of what we're doing. I'm going 3 with a runner. Astro, calm down. My dog's in Astro. Tired of Astros. Like this small little dog, do a little what? Astro, calm down. Cookie's not loud. Why are you loud? My dogs are chilling. Cookie, you want a day trade or what? My dog wants a day trade. Did I mark the levels? I forgot. Yeah, I did. Patient. Patient. The market's going to tell us when it's ready to pop. We will not miss it. The only thing is we don't know when we get in it if it's going to pop or if it's going to trap or fake out. I mean, it is what it is, right? The main thing is we just got to manage our trade the way we're supposed to manage it, just like we've been talking about every day. especially the last several days, right? Friday, we hit it hard. But we're sitting right up here. Right, I'm looking for that pop, but watch out. There is a great white. It's not ready yet. I will tell you when I'm going to enter. Y'all should know already, but the main thing is with the advanced, right? That takes a little bit of learning curve, but you need to understand that. I don't care if you want to trade the advanced or not. You need to know how to do it. That is going to teach you how to identify fake outs and traps. You've got to understand that. That's so important. We're bias up right now, okay? Bias up. I'm not taking the advanced through that. That's got to do the number 2, right? So with the advanced, number 1 setup out of the question. There's 4 setups. Number 1 is out of the question because of the information. Yep, 100%. They are picking up for sure. Okay, so on the advance, we're looking for number 2, 4, which should be good. We might have an opportunity to add to this trade if we get an aggressive. If we get the aggressive, we take it. No matter what. No matter what. Win, lose, or draw, we take it. We cannot get accurate results if we don't trade it. $74s. I'm looking at the time. I always forget what time. I just learned how to identify, right? Look at it sell off. I learned how to identify the time, right? I never even looked up there before. Really? I bet. I bet. I mean, look at this market, right? It's in a black squeeze here, but man, just keep waiting. Damn it. This candle's got 1 more minute. Again, I never understood the time when these closes, man, but all I had to do was look right there. That's fucking crazy. Closes in 45 seconds. I'm gonna type in our chat real quick. Okay. I typed in, very important what I just typed in. I'm not gonna enter yet. Look at this. You can see it hit our key level. It's pulling back. This is why we're patient, right? We would have got destroyed right there. We would have got killed. Dr. Al says there's a volatility squeeze massively building up on the 133 tick chart. Look at that, guys. We stayed out of trouble. Wow. You can see right here, we had a fake out of a fake out. So what I want you to do is I want you to mark this level. 75, mark it blue. You can go ahead and delete that, okay? There we go. You know, I mean, if you wanted to leave it, you could, but 65, 75 is our new minor key level. We've taken no trades. Now, I don't know. Some of y'all might have taken that 15-minute trade. I probably would have, and it probably would have lost. But again, going through the journal, after we hit 50 trades, I'm going to analyze that 15-minute and decide if that's one that I want to take aggressive or not. And maybe I'll just focus on the advance because it never broke, right? But now if something happens, we're going to be notified. And I don't know what to expect today. I don't even know what to expect tomorrow. Like I said, with the election, I don't know, man. I don't fucking clue, to be honest with you. That shit could do nothing. It might do everything. But we're going to have a big week, just like we had last week. This is all that I do, man. I don't do nothing else. 𝗙𝘂𝘁𝗂𝗿𝗀𝗀. Again, it's just sitting right up in this area. Patience, right? Patience. Even Charles is very quiet. Very quiet. Typing in our group right now, right? I'm still waiting and I'm still watching. I do like that, we've stayed pretty positive. We do need to get out of this range, though. Start climbing up in that area. Give us some buying pressure, hardcore coming in. But if we hold that, we're good. Issue is this area is stop out zone, right? That's where you start just getting picked apart. But that's okay. It's not ready yet. I will tell you what I'm doing, right? Marco always has to go to work, I think. He comes on board right before he goes to work. All right, watch. Let me see when these candles close here. Closes pretty soon. It's not going to do it yet. I'll be waiting. Not ready yet. Okay? Not ready yet. It's got to be better than that. But I'm waiting. Charles went long. Again, that's the direction you want to go. If you are going to go, that's the direction to go for sure. That's where I want to be on the long side, but I cannot enter until I get a signal. Remember, Charles, a signal's different than my signal. But right now we're on the same page as far as long. Just chopping around. Holding that VWAP, right? There's the VWAP, right? We've come down to the VWAP, come down to the VWAP, come down to the VWAP. We get through 65.75. This could be off to the races. That would be nice. Love to have a nice, strong day leading up until tomorrow. Big day. Patience. Where'd Charles go long? He went long 60. Charles' stop is 58. Right at that VWAP, right? Right underneath that VWAP. What you doing down there, Cookster? My dog's under my feet. Yep, it's flat as a pancake. Doc says we have a double positive divergence on the tick 1 minute chart. Right now, it is flat as a pancake. Where's Charles's stop? 58, right? I don't think he's got stopped out right now. He's floating around that VWAP. Again, I still see this going to the upside. Right now, the information tells me it's just waiting to take off to the upside. But we don't act until it happens. Just look at the clues, look at the signal, read the action, look at for the traps. We've had a couple fake outs. We had, a couple fake outs to the upside. Maybe. Maybe. I think it's going to pop here in a minute to the upside pretty hard. Again, that's the information that I got right this second. Again, things change fast. But we read the information as it happens. But I still see this bad boy shooting. If I was going to trade right now, it would definitely be to the upside. And I forgot which ones I had. Was it the 74s? Do y'all remember? All right. I can't remember, but if it wasn't, I'm still going to look back at the 74s. I can't remember. All right. Let's get ready. Something might happen in here soon. All right. See? Good. Picking up. This is what we were anticipating. This is what we were anticipating. We still got about a minute and a half, though, in this candle. Watch it. Be patient. We got time. It's not going to leave the station without us. But we do know there's a key level right here, so if we get in, we're anticipating that it's going to break that level. That's why it's aggressive, because you just don't know. Look at these sellers, right? This candle still has one more minute. I'm going to be a little bit more patient because of the information I'm getting. Ooh, there's some battling going on. "30 seconds, this candle closes. All right, I'm going to be looking to go long here in just a second. I'm going to go ahead and go long. Okay, I went ahead and went long. I'm in at 34 cents. First target, 44. It is what it is. Now, I got my first target. I will be looking to add, and I will also be looking to jump out quick. Right? All we can do is all we can do. Wow. Yeah. Just wait, okay? It's all about patience. It is what it is. Cannot be afraid to enter because you don't know what's going to happen. What you do control is if it doesn't follow through, we get out quick so we don't get destroyed. Patience. Patience. That's all we got, baby. I got my little note right here. Where's it at? Right here. Nobody has a crystal ball. We don't either. But we can trade our plan. You better believe it. Okay. I think Charles is still long. We're long. Again, I got 3 because I'm going to do a runner if for some miracle it starts to work out. But if it doesn't, I'm out. I'm out. Quick. We're anticipating it's going to pop through that level. That might be difficult. Now all we can do is wait. What is John Carter? Oh, John Carter's early in and out indicator said go long. Well, You know what? We anticipated going long. So the good news is we also anticipate that. So I hope his early indicator is correct. Well, either way, we're looking at pure action going on in real time. And I'm going to jump out. If that sumbitch doesn't work, you better believe it. I have no problem. Right? Well, the good news is the Jeff Moore indicator is just price action, right? Price action and, you know, the VIX and the ticks and all that, which is good because that leads any indicator. Right now, I'm waiting. I mean, there's nothing we can do at this point except add to this trade, but I'm not going to add to this trade right now. We're doing 3 contracts. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Come on. One big burst and we'd be good. We need one big burst. I'm liking it so far, okay? Remember, I'm shooting for 10. And with my new rule, when I get 10, I'll be moving to break even, no matter what, because I don't want to lose at that point. If it gets 10, I don't want to lose. And then if it turns around and stops me out, that's fine. I'll get right back in. At least I get 10. But we need a pop. Come on. Come on, ticks. Pick up. I'm in at 43. Charles posted something. Yeah, I'm in it too, Charles. I'm in it too, my man. Oh, I'm going to type something in our group real quick. Hang on. Okay, it's important for me. I want this sumbitch to work, man. I don't want any hiccups. Ticks are fine. Not a lot of buying pressure, but that's the direction. I typed in when I'm going to be exiting this trade. It's very important. And I'm not staring at my P&L because that shit'll kill me. But I sure would like this sumbitch to pick up. The best trades are the ones we get in and they just take off, right? Get your 10 and you're like, oh, thank God I can breathe. Just got to sit tight. We need a big push, man. One big pop up to about 60, 68 on the ES should hit target 1. And then I'll be moving to break even. Yeah. Oh, Dr. Al said, thanks for getting me out of the habit of staring at my P&L. I get it, brother. That's where I had problems too, man. Now I cover that shit up. I cover it up, man. I can't even look at it. It fucks me. It still messes me up, so I got to just cover it. Right now, I'm just staring at the chart. If I hear a ding, then I know I got my target. Then I'll breathe easier. Right now, I ain't hear no dings. It's like Rocky. I ain't hear no bell. Come on, baby. It's almost like I just want to look down and listen. Come on. Come on. Give me that ding. We got to be close. We got to be close. We got to be close. Come on. Man, I can't look at the P&L, though. If I look at the P&L right now, I'm going to probably dump a contract. I can't do that. I can't do that. Stick with what we got, baby. There we go. Target 1 eclipsed. I heard the ding. I heard the ding. Now I'm moving to break even. I don't give a shit. I'll be moving to break even on the other. There we go. Man, basically, okay, now I got to focus, guys. we get up here to 50, I'm going to lock in another 10, baby. Not yet. There we go. Come on, baby. If it gets up to 50, I'll be locking in another 10. I'm locking in another 10, baby. I don't care if I've locked in 20 so far. Come on. Woo! Go, baby, go. I've locked in 20. Plus 20. Okay, I got plus 20. My stops at break even on the last one. So I'm in no matter what for plus 20. Now I'm just going to let my runner go to work. That, boy!
That's it, Jeff. Now you really don't look at the P&L.
I ain't looking at the P&L now because I don't give a shit. It's either break even or I'm going to get myself a fucking runner. Bam. Plus 20 on that one, guys.
About this afternoon, it could be $2.
Exactly, right? I mean, I'm going to do exactly what I did. And if I get stopped out for my runner, I don't care. Because I know the days that it works, it takes off. And if it doesn't, hey, I got 20. I'm totally cool with 20, man. But now, if it runs, I'm going to just let it go. Y'all know my rule, though. When it doubles up, so, for example, I got in at 43. So, if it goes to, hang on a second, let me think. No, if it goes back to the plus 20, it's fine. I'm going to start locking in increments. So, when it goes to 20, I'll lock in 10. If it goes to 30, I'll lock in another. And I'm going to keep locking in 10 until it gets to 100%. Then I'm not going to do anything else the rest of the entire day. I'm going to let that run until 2:30, no matter what. And if that means it goes up a monstrous and I give it all back, I don't care. Because at that point, I've already locked in what I need to lock in. So it is what it is. I got plus 20 no matter what, and I'm fine with that. Charles got plus 30. He's done for the day. I'm at plus 20, and we'll see what happens with this other. Who else got it? Dr. Al, I'm testing my strategy out, so I'm doing 3 contracts until I get 50 trades. Until I get 50 trades. Right now, I started at 1, I went to 2, and now I'm focused on 3. 25 trades. This is going to be number 26. Once I get my 50 trades, I'm going to analyze all these results. So I think I just got stopped out of my last one. Yeah, but it reversed. That's fine. I don't want to be in there unless this takes off. And I can always get back in. That's why it's not even a problem. Right? Plus 20. That's super good, guys. And again, look, it's selling off. That's fine. Now I'm going to switch gears to my advanced. Now, with my advanced, I do 50. 50. Now, one of the things I'm noticing, though, on Friday, remember what happened on Friday? We got an extra 20, and then it had a pause, and then it took off. This pause just stopped me out for break even on my last leg. I've already got 20, and if it goes, this is something I need to start paying attention to. But I got 20, and I'm good with that. Right now, that option is about back to would have been break even, so I'm glad I took my 20 and ran. So now I'm going to look for my number 2 setup right here. 50 contracts. So I'm looking for that number 2 setup right here at this key level. 50. So that one I do 50. But to number 2. So I'm going to clear it out and get ready to rock for my number 2 entry to go long. That's where I don't mess around with the contracts. All right, 50 of those bad boys. Guys, it's going back up too. It's all right. But see, this is how we test it out. If it keeps doing this, I'm going to have to adjust that third leg. Okay, so let me mark this down here. Black. I'm looking for a number 2 entry, guys. This is the number 2 on the advanced. Damn, that wind is pumping out there. What the heck? What can I hear? It's like a goddamn hurricane, dude. Okay. Okay, cool. There's my line, 66.75. Now, this is an advanced order entry. So I'm going to do my normal contract at the 73s. The 73s are my normal ones. I guess I am glad I got out. So that was good. Moving that stop up actually looked like it worked out perfectly, because that move right there probably would have, yeah, probably would have set me back. Who just popped off, Mark? Again, I'm looking at my number 2, guys. Number 2 on the advanced. It's in the course. And again, I can enter the aggressive again, but right now that's out of the question. I've already got my 20 on the aggressive. I'm solid. It's another winner. Got to hold this 65.75 for me to continue to take this number 2 to the upside. Okay, so let's watch. I'm going to be looking to go long on the advanced. I'm going to draw a line. This is just for my reference. Y'all know how to do it. If not, you got to study the plan in there, how to do it. That's where I'm watching. I'm not going to enter yet, but I have to draw the line for my reference. I always do that. Okay, so signal was invalidated, so back off. Back off. Back off. Not too happy about it. This could sell off. See? That's why I said back off. One of the advantages of learning the advanced system is you start to recognize the traps and the fake outs. You want to learn how to read the ES? Learn the advanced. That right there was a classic trap. And I'm glad we got our 20. Even Charles, man, he hit his target. He probably had a little runner, got clipped like us. We back off. Wow, what a good move, man. We traded that to utter perfection. Anybody else get any? Did y'all get in? Jeff, John, Dr. Al, Roy, Brandon, y'all, did y'all get any of that? You should have. You should have got in that trade. You don't pick and choose. All right, good job. You cannot pick and choose which trade you're going to take. You take every trade that meets your criteria, no matter what, or you would not get accurate results. The only way you can't take that trade is if, like in my case, I was distracted earlier, I had to get up. But if you're at the computer and you get a signal, you take the trade, and then you document the results. Look at this, man. There's all sorts of psychoticness happening right this second at this 128. Remember, this key level is the 128 of the 30-minute range break. That's a critical key area. The software draws you all of the levels. It does it for you. In the course, you get it for free when you've got the coaching. What up, Andy? What's up, brother? What's up? Andy, you missed out. We got plus 20.
Of course you did.
We just got it, nailed it. This move up landed us 20. Is what it is, my man. Good to see you, brother. Right now we are not in it. If we close back inside that range, you can say good night. But what I do want you to do, at this point, you got a box that you're not allowed to trade in. And that's what that box is right there. Okay? You're not allowed to operate in this box. We're building our casino floor. Those are no trade zones, just like no fly zone. When you fly in a no fly zone, you in lots of trouble. When you trade in a no trade zone, you in lots of trouble. You got to know how to draw these. I teach that. Going back up. Right now, I'm looking for number 4 entry on the advanced. Okay? That's where I'm at right now. Number 4. We have 4 setups. And this has got to happen soon, or I'm just going to take my morning wins and then wait till the afternoon and get into our options, because on Mondays we always do a lot more on Mondays, right? Because we start the week over fresh. Look at it. Lots of action. Back off. I'm getting text messages all over the place. Hang on. Oh, bills. Cricket auto pay. You have money that you need to pay us. Isn't that nice? Let me go trade AT&T so I can make some money off the AT&T stocks so they can pay for their own fucking bill. That's why I have AT&T on my master watch list, because my service is AT&T. And if I'm going to be paying those bastards, I'm going to be trading their stock via options and trying to make money so I can take that money, set it aside, and that's the money that pays my phone bill. So if I make $1,000 trading AT&T, I put $1,000 aside, and that $1,000 pays my phone bill for like 7 or 8 months. That's how you do it. The goal is not to pay any of your bills. It's to learn how to trade, make money, and have them pay for their bills, not us. We don't want to pay for bills. We want them to pay for our bill. That's the goal, right? Look at it. Aren't we glad we managed to trade the way we did a minute ago? Holy shit, that worked out so good. That's why I'm going to do that every time. That management rule that's the rule so far that I'm going to stick with. 9:39, man. This is back in the range. I'm going to give it just a little bit longer. And I'll just be focusing on the afternoon. I'm going to post the afternoon key levels at about 12 o'clock. I'm going to post the afternoon key levels in the group. If you want to trade in the afternoon, right? Since I'm plus 20, I'm debating if I want to do that, because I really don't like to give back when I'm plus 20. All I can say is today was utter perfection. Roy, did you get any of that, Roy? Jeff? John, did y'all get any of that? Brandon? We know Dr. I got some.
10 cents.
Hey, 10 cents, that's beautiful. 10 cents is 10 cents. You're doing 10 contracts, that's $100. You get to where you're doing 50, that's $500. 25 cents, damn. Fucking John whooped us all. John, you're teaching the class tomorrow.
I actually decided to trade paper until I get my rules down.
Okay.
But what I did was I set triple stops. So I bought one at 10-10, 10 up, 10 down, 15 up, 15 down, 20 up, 20 down. The first two hit. I got 10 and 15, and then I moved the 20 up, and it cleared out for break even.
Hey, you said something very interesting. 10 and 10, 15 and 15, and 20 and 20.
Yes. When I went back and did a review of what happened on the aggressive, most of the time, if it came back and went back up, it was somewhere between 15 and 20 cents.
That is interesting. Very, very interesting. Because I think...
So I thought...
No, go ahead.
Go ahead.
No, I was going to say, I think that on that last one, 20 and 20... Wow, that's interesting. I'm going to put it that. That's very interesting,
Well,
actually.
So on the last one, what I did when I got up to 25 cents up, I could have left it at 20 and I still would have made money on the trade a little bit. But I decided to follow you. I moved it to break even, the 2020. And the other day, I actually set one on paper, the one that ran, with a trailing stop of 30 cents. And I got out for a plus 30 gain on it. It went up and then it came back down.
Yeah.
But I could just walk away from the computer, then I don't have to worry about.
Yeah, you're right. It's already set. It's already set.
Yep.
The only issue I have with that is if you get the first one 10 and you get the second one 15, and then it stops you, and then the last one stops you out, you only make 5.
Right. And so that's why I rethought what I was doing. And I just slid the whole bracket up so it was break even at break even stop and a 40-cent gain if it kept running.
Yeah, and I mean, I think that that's the way, because to me, I know just based on this, if I would not want to get 25 up and then the last one gets stopped out and only win 5. I feel like if I get 25, that's a gift. I need to lock in, because like Tom, this is one thing Tom Sosnoff always told us. I took his classes for 5 years back in the days. He always said, if the market gives you a gift, you take it. Because here's the reality. We don't know if it's going to work. And if it does, it's already hard enough to work. And if you get a nice gain, take it. So that's why I don't think I can get myself up 25 and then give it all back, because it was already a gift to get 25. But that
right, and that's what I did, and what I would have done is had it move farther up and I wanted to walk away from the computer, I would have let it get up to where I get a profit and set a trailer at whatever, so I'd still come out of it with a small profit on the last one and the possibility of a runner.
Gotcha. But that's good stuff. First of all, guys, Roy says, I got in too early and I'm chasing to get back to even or just minimize my... Okay. Remember, again, that's okay. Just keep working on it. So here's what's going to happen right now, my friends. Right now, it's starting to go up. You can look to do a number 4, right? Number 4, or whatever your rule is. Number 4 on the advanced. If not, I'm going to wait till the VIX afternoon key levels, because we're going to jump into our option swing trading. I got plus 20. Follow your plan. Okay. I'm going to just relax because this action is a little bit too choppy. Take it. Justin, I would never laugh. Okay. If you make profit, you make profit. We will never laugh. Ever. All right, guys. So here's the deal. Y'all in the university, hang tight. We're going to get into our option swing trading. Jay, take care, man, on the YouTube members. And we'll see y'all back here later. But y'all stick tight. Just get ready for options. Peace. All right, y'all.